What's up guys? Today I just want to do a quick review for you guys because now the outbreak is very dangerous, especially in USA, man. So you guys take care and be careful. By the way, I am Thai and I just ordered this one from China, mainland China. So I think it should be useful for you guys. This one I paid like 500 baht, so in USA it should cost you like below $20. So let's look into the physical products. So you have like the plastic build. The quality is good but not that great. And you can use the USB, micro USB to generate the power, and in the box you get the micro USB to USB type A like this for free, man. But if you want to carry it outside, you can get another option. So you can use the battery. It takes like 4 battery AAA type. And this product you get only one physical button, so it's very easy to use, man, this one. And inside you have 2 bulbs of the UVC sterilizer, so it should be fine. And how to use this one I will show you guys like now. Okay, so I use the mobile phone as the example because you guys know that we cannot live without it. So yeah, how to use: you can open this one, and the distance between the sterilizer and the mobile phone should be right around 1 inch. So after that you press the power button and wait for like 3 seconds. Yeah, so now it's working. So you can do like this for like 1 or 2 minutes according to the manual instruction. So it should be fine. Actually, the most important one, it's the banknotes, man. When you guys go shopping, I think it's better to disinfect it first. So when it reach 1 or 2 minutes, you are done. Yeah, so that's it for me, guys. Thank you for watching, and if you find it useful, just like, share, and subscribe if you can. So I will see you guys the next clip, man. Peace.